Invertaspot Next Gen. The next generation spot welder. With the 360-degree rotating gun handle, you can reach any point on the bodywork with minimal effort. For maximum flexibility, we offer a pivoting range of 130 degrees and a standard gun hose length of 5 meters. The big improvement with the next gen, the spot welding gun, is around 5 kilos lighter. Switch between the arms quickly, easily, and back-friendly depending on your needs. The display can be operated via the resistive touchscreen, the buttons, and the rotary knob. The full automatic mode ensures flawless and simple spot welding. Always have an eye on the overall temperature of your spot welder with the real-time temperature display. Our optimized cooling system ensures reliable performance. So, are you part of the next generation yet?